Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is first video for the data engineering series. We are going to create a data engineering tech stack on AWS. It consists of a relational database, Postgres, hosted on AWS, and Airflow, which will act as an orchestrator. It's hosted on EC2 instance, again on AWS, and then as a destination data warehouse, we will be using Redshift. So let's get started. So this is our first video. So here we are going to install RDS on AWS. So first we'll have to go select RDS, Aurora. Let's select RDS. We are on this page. Okay. Next we have to create a DB instance. So first let's select a region of our choice. So I'm right now in United States. I will select, let's select Singapore. All right, so it will bring me to this page. I'll go to DB instance. I already have an instance over here. I'll create a new one. I'll have to go to create database. Okay, we'll select PostgreSQL. It's our RDS of choice. Let's do some more settings. We have the engine version, that's fine. We'll be setting up a dev test environment. We don't want to pay much, or better a free tier as well, right? We can do that. Just give a name. We'll create a username and we'll define a password for this. So this will be our master username and password that will be used. Generally, it's even managed better in production environment, but for now this is okay. So I'll give in a password. The same we'll use to log in through DBeaver or during writing DAGs and connections on Airflow. We'll select D420 GB. All right, let's keep the default VPC. We'll provide public access to this. Should be okay. We'll keep the default existing VPC security groups. No need to do anything on availability zones. All right, now we'll do a 7-day free tier. Do we want that? No. Okay, let's create database. So this is going to create a database which we can later log in and check. We'll be first checking it through DBeaver. It will take a while for it to get created. I'll be back once this is completed. So now that we have created the database, let's try to check its connectivity, whether it's reachable or not. So database 2 will get the endpoint, user ID and password we already know. We have allowed public access. Let's go to DBeaver, do a new connection, Postgres. Let's give the host name, the endpoint, user ID, is Postgres, password, the one we had created. Bam, and it's connected. So yeah, our RDS is ready. We can see. Next task will be to set up Airflow. We'll be writing some sample DAGs on this RDS, and then we'll install Redshift, and then we'll write a DAG to create data from Postgres to Redshift. Do the orchestration and build data pipeline. Thank you.